Hi, I'm Mark Engstrom with Socrates Head of School. I'm excited to roll out our first of 20 books for the 2022-2023 school year, and that book is Partnering by Jean Oelwang, brought to us by Simon Sinek's Optimism Press. If we think about what schools do and what we are, we're an organization that has the student learning experience at the center, and all around that student learning experience is partnerships. Students don't learn anything if we don't have good partnerships as adults, right? So it's teacher to teacher, it's teacher to student, it's teacher to parent, it's admin to parent, admin to student, admin to teacher. You get the point. It's the partnerships that make a school go round, and Jean Oelwang shows us how to do that better. The distillation is already on our open educational resource, so that's free for everybody. If you have a subscription with us, you also have our book study questions, our meeting slides, and our workshops, where we ask you to think about questions like, would you make better decisions if you sought out contrarian opinions beforehand? Not a bad idea, right? Wouldn't we all be better leaders if we sought out other points of view? We also encourage you to avoid words like never and always. If all schools got rid of those two words, we would have better partnerships. They're words that gets our backs up, they make people defensive, and it's also probably not fair. It's probably not true that your colleagues always do the same thing and some colleagues never do what you hoped, et cetera, et cetera. So those are the kind of ideas we're hoping to get you to talk about on campus. And our workshop is called What If They're Right? And so it's a workshop that allows you to get all ideas on the table. If you've got a decision coming up, an issue you need to get your head around, it's a workshop that will get everybody's idea in the mix so you can talk about everything and become a better school. So we want to give away a book each week, so we have a raffle. And our first winner is, you can see that is 065, and that is... Congratulations to Andre from Black Pine Circle School in Berkeley, California. We're excited to send you a copy of Partnering, if that's what you want. If you don't want us to send you a copy, you want to buy it and just show us the receipt, that's fine. We'll reimburse you. If you wanted an e-reader, for example, that might be easier. We're also happy to give you our next book, A Minute to Think, if you would prefer that, by Juliet Funt. So we're excited that this is the first of 20 books coming your way this year. Hopefully we'll help you move leading and learning forward in your schools. Thanks a lot.